Hi guys, it's Jamie. Welcome back. So with my last video, I said that I needed some help on the planning of the pages that was kind of giving me anxiety. I had a lot of response and I am so appreciative of everybody who commented on the ideals and stuff. And I did figure out what I'm going to do. So on the two pages that was giving me such a headache, I whited it out, put washi tape over it. This one right here is consumer debt payoff. It's going to start in January. And then this one right here is medical payoff. Some of the medical bills that I have acquired over this past year. My balance is $1,729.43. Payment arrangements were made and it's $75 a month. I'm hoping to get this paid off as soon as I can. The consumer debt, guys, I know a lot of people have said not to do it, or it might be better if you do it. All of my credit cards and a medical bill that went into collection, I'm going to consolidate it all together and just get it all paid off and have one monthly payment to free up some other monies. So that is what I've done with these two pages. Thank you guys so much for all the input and ideals that you gave me. And then this one right here, the important dates. I did go ahead and put, the holidays in, and then I put in some birthdays, anniversaries, and stuff like that. I got to go in and finish, with like Thanksgiving and Christmas. I was just giving you all, ideals about what this is. If I have like a doctor's appointment in February, I'll put it down too. Or, like if I want to go see my sister, I can put down, the week that I'm going to, or the day that I'm going to leave to go see her, or whatever. So that is what I did with that one. January, I've been working on this, and my main focus for this year is to study and read the Bible. My first goal is save money in my monthly challenge binder, which is this, and I will be starting this in January. I really love this little binder. These little sleeves right here, you can put your savings challenge in the little folder thingy, and then the little folder thingy. Boy, that sounds very inviting. And then this actually opens up to like an envelope to where you can put the money down in it. So that is the main goal for this year. Then be on time with all bills and try to get them lower. I have been looking into Starlink and stuff like that. We did get an email the other day saying that our cable bill was going up once again. So I'm just going to try to lower the bills. And then my third goal is to try and get my checkoff list completed by the end of the month. So I'm going to break down like spring cleaning. Like once a month I'm going to pick a room. Deep clean the den, wash all the curtains, clean all the pictures, and then I need to call and get the debt payment payoff of everything together. This calendar here, I love it because it is lined. Hopefully you won't see some of these that's listed in here. They'll all be consolidated, but I figured like once I get the house insurance paid, I will just take a highlighter and highlight it. If I spend anything on that day, I may write it in here. Or, as you can see, I got all the bills wrote down, the amounts that I know of for right now. And then down here is, and I just put all my bills together on the, the fixed expense and the variable expense. I just put them all listed together. And then debt, savings, and extra. If, I want to pay an extra if I want to pay an extra payment on, let's say the medical, I'll just write it down here, tally it all together, and then have what I actually got. This is the weekly outlook. I really love this. The main thing that I really love is the menu for the week. If I could plan out the menu and then have the grocery list and just go by it, I'm going to try to save the money that I can with the menu plan. And then, of course, you got your schedule for Monday. Let's say you work 7 to 3. You can just highlight that down there, 7 to 3. You'll know that's work. And then you can just put, like, spent $20 on gas. That way you can keep up with, like, that you work, but if you need this other part here, you could write down notes or, your spending for that day, or if you didn't spend, or if you want to, just make you a little block and put, today was a horrible day, I wish it would go away, and let's try again tomorrow. The hydrate, remember to hydrate. This is one of the other key things that sold me on this planner. And then, you go through all the weeks. And then when you get to the next week, it starts all over again. Your weekly outlook, your menu plan, and it's highlighted up through here the week that you're on. So I really like that. You do have a habit tracker up here. And then, you just continue on. And then if you haven't seen, I did back here in the note pages, I did have my car payoff tracker and my mortgage payoff tracker. And I want to try my best to keep up with all of this year, because this is the year that is going to be a very great year. We are going to have a positive outlook this year, and we're going to work on it, and it's just going to be wonderful. And I really wish I could find me a sticker that had my name on it, in script, and just put it across there, because, my handwriting is okay, but I think a little pretty sticker would be awesome on there. I'll have to get on Etsy and see if I can't find somebody to make me one. But yeah, guys, that is what I figured out on that. Thank you all so much for the new subscribers. Thank you all so much for the ideals on what to do with those 2 pages that were just absolutely driving me nuts. With that said, guys, remember to always wear a smile, because your smile can make somebody's day. Bye, guys.